Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This very merry makeup is inspired by an idea I had for a snow rose look, but I like to call it a Christmas fairy. I thought this would be perfect to share with you all on Christmas Day, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I hope you all have enjoyed my series this month, all of my holiday looks. These looks were very different for me, they're very magical and merry, and I hope they made you smile this December. Now if you guys are ready, just sit back, relax, listen to the music, and enjoy this Christmas transformation.
It's been a year, riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. You're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you. This long December night